Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Ngiyanibingelela futhi langa namhlanje igama lami Moyane insizwa kaNkosi. Yebo makhehla, welcome back. Been an hectic few months due to coronavirus, but we're hanging in there. We're hanging in there because of we have to hang in there. Yeah. Now today I want to talk about Amadlozi. I want to talk about Amadlozi, how they work, like the mindset, yeah, and what do they think of you? You understand? So ziningi izindlela zokubona ukuthi amadlozi wakho akephi, agijima kanjani, and what they want, like your connection, how to connect with your own ancestors, how to connect with yourself. You understand? So now there's a different ways on how to do that, and there's a different ways on how to understand that. You understand? So now now umuntu onamadlozi is very complicated. Like he or she's life is very complicated in so many ways, and you don't understand yourself because of you haven't embarked on the journey of acceptance. You understand? You do not belong anywhere. You understand? Because of isimo samadlozi, it's all about belonging. Like they wanna belong somewhere. Amadlozi, I told them, sure, they wanna belong to a place. They wanna belong to a certain spirituality. They wanna belong to when in doubt. Because now mababa kungena abanandawo la bazobhilinga khona. I told them, sure, as much as you think that amadlozi wakho are complicated, they think you are complicated. You understand? As much as you think amadlozi wakho they are unreasonable, guess what? They think you are unreasonable. You get? So now it's a win-win situation here. Like you have your own pride, they have their own pride. Yeah, you get? And let me tell you this, you are fighting a battle that you cannot win because of immediately when the sebakungenile bafuna ukusebenza ngawe ngaleso sikhathi leso, and ufana nomntwana, you're like a toddler, you're like a child to them. You understand? As much as you're a child to them, yeah, because they gave birth to you. Bakuzalile mntana ekhehla. I told them, sure. So now bafuna ukukuthuma, bafuna ukukusebenzisa as much as nabo lapha bakhona bayabathuma bayabasebenzisa. You understand? So now it's so complicated in any way. That's why at some point I know that you're gonna feel depressed. As much as you feel depressed, they feel depressed as well. I know you're so frustrated in so many ways, and awusastand like usiphelele inhliziyo, like and you feel like the world, like the world as it is, it's against you. Like people, they are against you. Like your family is against you. That's how you are shown and because of now this journey. Lento ifuna ukuthi isolate. You understand? It's like a virus unto you. Iyakugulisa, iyakuhlangahlanganisa izinto zakho ukuthi zingahambi the way ufisa ngakhona. Ethona into engisho, and you don't understand what's happening to you. Like you're so frustrated, like izinto zakho azihambi ngendlela, like you bomuntu lo bothanda ukuya esontweni now stukutuku. Eventually that changes just like that. It's because of now choose, and they want you to concentrate kubona kakhulu. I told them, sure, bafuna ukuthi concentrate kubona kakhulu and focus on them and baphakamise and ubalaphe ngoba uphethe ukugula okuthize. You understand? As much as now coronavirus ekhona, we panicking, we don't know what to do, and that's how you feel, yeah? You panicking, you frustrated, you don't know what to take. Awazi ukuthi uhlanganise ini, wenzeni ukuthi izinto zakho zibe right. Kanti no, you need a vaccine. That vaccine that you need, isimo sokuthi ke manje uyaphehlelwa. You understand? Uyaphehlelwa, ungena ephehlweni. Now, you are this kind of person who does not even understand that you're gifted. Now we have different kinds of people, and they don't even know that they're gifted, but they just see their life, and their lives that like in Pilo Zabo nje, they are just in shambles. Everything is in shambles. Yonke into ihlangahlangene, ayikho into ehlanganayo. We all gifted in a different way, yeah. We all gifted in a different way, and we all see things in a different way. Yeah. You tried to go to church, nothing works. You tried to pray on your own, nothing works. You tried to go to certain healers to get cleansed, nothing works. Now, you now uba nalesi simo lesokuthi kahle kahle, what am I doing wrong? You need to do self like kwamele usearch mntana ekhehla, kwamele usibheke. Yayithola into engisho, kwamele ke usigugule wena mntana ekhehla ukuthi uzibuze ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakala, ngoba because of ama-answer, they're right on your face, zisemehlweni wakho, indaba zisemehlweni wakho. Yangithola mos. I like to say the devil is in the detail. You understand? The devil is in the detail. So now, indaba ikuwe mntana ekhehla. You can see that your financial status is not going accordingly as much as you want. You can see your relationship is you're like any kind of relationship that you're trying to build, it's not going along. Like hlangahlangene nje, izinto zimabhedubhedu, akuvumi, abantu asathandeki. Unesifo esamadlozi that needs to be healed. So now that's why udinga that vaccine yokuthi uphehlelwe. You understand? So now we have two different people here. We have this kind of person that uboniswayo, yeah. Uyaboniswa ukuthi kwamele wenzeni, kwamele wenzeni, kwamele wenzeni. Like for instance, uboniswa amabhayi, ne. Those lamabhayi uwabonayo simply means that it's a direction. So now this direction that they're showing you, you need to follow it. You get kwamele uyilandele so that uzokwazi uyi-understand, uzokwazi ukuyithola ukuthi yukusa kephi, ngoba amadlozi, they just cannot spill the beans just like that. The way baphila ngakhona, they think that bona bakutshela the way ngakhona, but like they getting straight to the point. But now message must ifika quite vague. You understand? So now mawuzoboniswa amabhayi, yes, sharp, yawathenga, yeah. Certain things, they don't need you to waste money. They just don't need you to waste money because of uzosithenga, and then what? Guess what? Amadlozi at some point, they are not a buy. A buy-in is just a symbol of how far they are, how mature they are, how hungry they are, how civilized they are, how angry they are, how happy they are, or just a direction ukuthi bahlangane kanjani. You understand? Because of each and every bite, it has on its meaning. In a meaning yayo ukuthi ichaza ukuthini, bafuna ukuthi kwenzakaleni and all that. You see all this kind of things. You see beads, yeah. Bakutshengisa ukuthi where they come from, what they want, why they are showing those kind of beats. That's why you need to consult and see what because of, let me tell you something, because these things, they are not uniformed. They are not uniformed in the sense yokuthi every day is gonna mean the same thing, because of things change, people evolve, they evolve as well. You understand? They won't mean the same thing every day. You understand? So now that's why it's very important for you to have a spiritual guide that will guide you and tell you this is what's needed. This is what's needed when you see certain things. You get? But now abantu ababoniswayo baboniswa ngenye indlela eziningi ehlukahlukene. You understand? And don't expect to see the person in your dreams. Don't expect, as much as you can see all the candles, as much as you can see all the elements that you see in your dreams, such as your animals, such as your waters, such as of amapulu and all that. That's the direction, but this is the direction. then lucky you are that you see the person. You get lucky you are ubona umuntu agcoke ini ukuthi hayi ndawo le ngikhomba kuyona na. If akubonisa is the elements. It's highly impossible to see the person. You get because of in this day and age we have izangoma eziningi ehlukahlukene and they work differently. You get so now Amadlozi where they have feelings. You get when they have feelings they now Baba confused. They need your help. You understand? They need your help to get to the certain stage that they want to be. You understand? If you don't help them, they won't help you. You going to be frustrated. So now they want you to be in a fusion with them, be a team with them. You understand? Be family with them, so that you can reach a certain goal that they want. As much as you in your life, you have a goal that you want to achieve. You understand? Now, this is blocking you because of they own you. That's a fact. They own you. As much as the universe owns them, you bayak-own. Own abantu abakini ngoba bayakusala. They know what's good for you. They know what's not good for you. You understand? People tend to commit suicide because of they're so frustrated in so many ways and they don't understand themselves. They don't understand the spirituality. They don't understand what's going on to them. Like they're depressed because of they're overwhelmed because of this energies that they get. Because of this energies that they feed onto them. You understand? That's why it leads to certain extent yokuthi umuntu ufuna ukuzibhula umuntu ufuna ukuzenza ayathola into in short. So now you need to be helped. That shows ukuthi uyagula. You understand? You're so irritated in so many ways. You don't want anyone phambi kwakho. Ufuna ukuhlala you-one. Mawuhlala you-one, you have this like you calm. Izinto zakho ziba right. But now immediately when you uphakathi kwabantu suyadineka suyahlangahlangana, it's because of amadlozi wakho. They're trying to communicate with them. They're trying to send a message to you ukuthi ufuna ukuthi wenzeni because of they guiding you. Those energies that you feel, those emotions that you feel, that's how they communicate with you. Up until you get to the school, that school that you see on your dreams all the time. Up until you get there, that's when you're gonna understand how they communicate. That's when you're gonna know how to control those emotions and you won't get into it. But up until that, masoselapho ngaphandle, it's gonna be very hard for you because of you don't have that vaccine that you need to get, that you need to take, so that you can calm yourself, so that you can calm your spirits, so that you can calm your ancestors. You understand? So now it's very important for you guys to you because the minute you get so frustrated, disconnect. Uzoya lapho uyophahla amadlozi azothatha kahle ukuphendula ngoba you're so frustrated, they're frustrated, you're in a battlefield with them, you're not agreeing on anything. So now izinto zenzani ziyohlangana. You're gonna feel like amadlozi wakho awekho ngoba the reason being abantu bafeel ukuthi amadlozi wabo awekho is because of those energies. When you feel like that, wena namadlozi khona into engayivumelani ngayo nawe khona into ongayivumelani because you stubborn. Stubborn kanjalo nabo baba stubborn ukuthi I mean angeke ngiyenze ngalesi khathi lesi. No, if you feel like that, they feel like that, then you fight, then they want to shift away from you to see ukuthi simbone kahle ngalo mqondo wakhana uzowenzani, uzofikela kephi, uzofuna ukwenzani. Uyayithola into engisho. So now you need to get that and understand that so that ukuthi uzokwazi ihlezi khona emqondweni wakho ukuthi you don't need to be stubborn. You do not need to be rebellious onto your ancestors because of they controlling your life. Yibo bayiphethe impilo yakho. The minute you uzama ukuphahla ukuthi angibafili abantu labo, it's because of you are in a battlefield. Uphahla uhlangahlangene like khona into engavumelanga ngayo. Then you have this kind of person ukuthi akaboniswa, but impilo yakhe ihlangahlangene, impilo yakhe is in shambles, like yonke into ihlangahlangene ayihambi ngendlela right. Angithola into engisho. That kind of person just needs to see because of amadlozi wakhe akaphiwanga, amadlozi wakhe abavumi ukuthi bamtshengise izinto ngoba bayamazi ukuthi umuntu onjani. Ngesinye isikhathi amadlozi wakhe abavumi ukuthi bheka naye lento ikanje. Ayithola into engisho. They're just going to act upon your life, just going to mess up your life so that you can see those symptoms that you're gonna get. You won't get through your dreams, but you're gonna get to the events that you see in your life. Izinto ezenzakala empilweni yakho. Yes, you have a gift. Uzobona ushintsha, uzobona ama-emotions wakho ashintsha. Uzobona, let's say for instance, umuntu othanda ukuya emsebenzini, sokunzima ukuthi emsebenzini, sokunzima ukuthi wenze izinto zakho. So izinto zakho ziyashintsha nje. That's all I'm sure. You like going to church. You don't go to church anymore. You hate church. Where, like, you can have this energy when you want to go to church for that week. When the day comes, you don't go there. Nothing happens. Everything changes. It's because of you choosing, like, you are a flip-flopper. You're a flip-flopper. They want your energies and your emotions to be constant. I told them then in short. So it's very important for you to understand what kind of gifts you have. So for you to get there, you need to consult. For you to get there, you need to be initiated, because no healer will tell you you are gifted in so, like, for you to see that, you must get initiated. Yeah. Because asikho isangoma sokusho ukuthi hey abogogo ngingahlangana nabo in all those kind of stories about namadlozi amakhulukhulu bona bawabone banamanga. For you to know that, you need to phehlelwa kwamele thwazi kwamele ukwenze lokho. As much as umuntu pregnant, let's say you're pregnant, you don't know what kind of baby you have. You can go to all the scans. You can go to everything that you want. You can go to all the doctors to see what kind of baby you have. Yes, they're going to tell you the gender, but they won't tell you what kind of baby you have. They won't tell you what gifts the baby has. They won't tell you ukuthi uzoba umuntu onjani, because of kwamele azalwe eqala. Yeah? And maqeda kuzalwa kwenzani aphile akhule and guide the child, teach the child, and then the child gets matured, and then now we're born in direction similar to Linda Amadlozi. They want a direction, they want to get initiated, they want to get healed, they want a sense of belonging, and then after that they will know the directions on what kind of healer they are, what kind of people they are, what kind of gifts they are. You understand? You will never know unless if again, you will never win the race if you're not in the race. You understand? So now, if not you, who? Because sonke besinako ukuthi hey mina angifuni ukuthwasa, hey mina why me. If not you, who? You understand? So now it's very important to accept who you are, acknowledge it, and do what you need to do. You get? So injalo mntana ekhehla, injalo khehla lami. So try by all means to sink it in. Connect with your ancestors. How to connect with them? It's by loving them. You can get all the cleanses that you need. If your soul and heart is not in sync with them, you have a problem. You have a serious problem. So now for you to be at peace, you need to love them. You need to acknowledge them. So when you go there, uyobaphahlela, kuzwakale indaba zakho, zingabi mabhedu-bhedu. You understand? Zizwakale ngendlela efanelekile, and accept who you are, love who you are. That's how you connect with your people. There are so many ways on how to do it. Tune in on my next video talking about connecting, understanding. Let's communicate, my people. If you have any questions, please do comment, and let's have a conversation, please. Let's have a conversation. And yeah, do subscribe so that you can learn even more. Igama lami ugogo Moyane insizwa kaNkosi. So yeah, let's be a team. Let's educate each other in so many ways, and singalahlekisani abantu abadala, please. So umsebenzi mavuleka sichubekiseni phambili. Ngithi akubeni kuhle, kudede ubumnyama, kuvele kukhanya. Please do subscribe, and yeah, love and peace. Thank you. Thokozani.